Following the news that circulated on social media that Nnamdi Kanu have escaped from DSS custody, they say that the IPOB have sent a strong message give to Nigeria government, say if they have done it in the past and they work for them, they should not play with Nnamdi Kanu, and also went ahead to remember them the word of Nnamdi Kanu that anywhere he fall, let everything in that place fall, that they must make sure they carry this out and nothing will stop them. Their tranquility is because of Nnamdi Kanu told them to calm down, that when anything happened to him, this is something no one will settle. It don't read though. My people, as that one they happen, they say that the Fulanis don't visit their makers for inside the northern part of Nigeria, where be say they carry the whole farm where they there, Eyakatam, keep them for grand. My people, following another news where they circulate for inside social media, say Nigeria may have recruited thousands of young youth into the army to invade Biafra land. This is alleged news that we are seeing on social media, not verified. My people, we'll play the video one after the other. Please share and make sure you subscribe to this channel for more updates as it is hot. Watch this video of how they recruited army, they celebrate, they jubilate, they go in thousands, and the Biafrans have sent the message say that if they are coming to Biafra land, means they will meet their end in that particular place. If you watch these people here, they are very young, young children, if I may say, because these people here have not even chopped the word. But however, let's watch the video.
Small now, no be say you go carry tally. Small ka tafi hankali ba wai dole sai kai gudu nan ba. Ya ne? Ya kai da iska. Ya go climb up. Ambiya gaye. Ba ruwa gaye. Ya. Kai ku tafi hankali, ku yi gudu hankali. Sannunku. Ba tali za ku je ku dauka ba, ka tafi a hankali ba wai za ka je ka yi ni ka ga yara na yanka tsina ko Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, my wonderful people, as you have watched that video, please share it and leave your own opinion in comment section. The Biafrans have reacted in this video and said that these people will buy in Biafra land. All of them is going to meet their end in Biafra land. There's no going back, and this is their message. And I'm going to play you a video of what is happening in the north and why these crowd are not going to face them in the north. Watch the video.
Allah. God, just hear me yourself. Only, mana. I the video ram, officer. God bless you. God bless you.
I will pursue them. Two of me. So I mean, me and the second, I will pursue them. Since Allah, come on, don't tie yourself.
I've been there, and they never call me.
Allah, man, pursue them.
Ooh, Jesus, God, come and see him yourself. Thank God I take here myself. Now me the video of myself.
Come on.
Jesus. Now why they talk say Baramucha Binchimba? It don't happen with that now.
Abba, yellow, I don't know. Allah, you don't throw away. Allah.
Hi! Oh boy! See life! So I think these people don't do. Hey! Wahala be like riding bicycle, my brother. Ina you come and see wonders. Come and be me low here. Since I see the new one. Since I see the nyai. Kai! Kan ko buke masusha na jira uni. Hey, wahala. This is my farm. Now me do this work yesterday with my injury on my stomach.
Let's go.
Hey, see my farm. This is my real farm. The one where I do yesterday with gunshot injury. See my stomach. This one I gunshot from my anus out of my stomach. See what I think these people do me. Hey, wahala. If I let them come back. Hey. Officer, only God bless you now. Only God. Now God bless you now. See wahala. See what Fulani people do. Hey.
Okay, your farm is this.
Now my farm. That one.
Okay.
That one. This one is not my own. But all of these farms now are family farms. Now my family farms. Okay. Oga.
The video you just watched is northern part of the country where you have seen what Fulanis are doing the same way they are doing in the west and in the east. As we are talking right now, they said that so many people buy for inside the Yoruba side and by the Fulani herdsmen. The worst part of it is that this government are not even interested. They have become the second Buhari who are not interested to go after they call it bandits. It's the people they're supposed to declare terrorists. They never declare them a terrorist, so and they call the Biafrans, indigenous people of Biafra, means all Igbos, all the tribes that make up Biafrans. They call them a terrorist. Things are happening for inside this country. But however, the Biafra have told them that the joke they are joking about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is very expensive one and they should never try it. As the lawyer have come outside to say that Nnamdi Kanu never escaped from any of their prison, that news is a fake news. So, but however, that news is coming from I think that was a gist news, something like that carried that news, and other bloggers as well. But we are making it clear that should be a joke and nothing should happen to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, because that kind of news is very expensive and the Biafrans, we are not going to take it. So my people, I want you to share this video and make sure you drop your own opinion for inside comment section.